Good morning, Keller Williams, and welcome back to the Katy CommandMC 66-Day Challenge 2.0, and today is day 12. So today we're continuing our training inside of the Recruits Applet Recruiting Pipeline tab. Today we're going to talk stages. So yesterday we kind of reviewed the four main phases of business. We know that there's two hard-coded stages inside of each one of our phases. But today, let's talk about maybe we want to get a little bit creative, build out a business process that works for our business based upon where we're located, the recruits that we work with, etc. So to create a custom stage, we have the ability to come over to our Edit Stage button. So I'm going to click on Edit Stages. We are inside right now our active recruit phase. And let's just say we wanted to create a custom stage that set apart our recruit leads from those that were referred to us by our ALC. We definitely want to make sure that those stand out a little bit more, that we can sort of separate those from some of our additional recruit lead sources. So we want to add a custom column or stage for ALC recruit leads. So I'm just going to click on Add Item, and this is where I can type in my stage name. So this would be ALC recruit leads, and I would click on Save. That then creates our brand new stage called ALC Recruit Leads. Now let's say that I didn't want this column to be the far right? I don't want scheduling appointment and then ALC Recruit Leads. I'd actually like this to be the first column that I see looking left to right. Well, I can come back to Edit Stages, and I can click on the 6 dots that are to the left. You can see as I hover over them, the whole stage lights up in blue. I'm going to click my mouse and drag up such that this stage then becomes the very top. So top to bottom is going to equal left to right inside the actual phase. I'm going to click on Save, and we'll see now we've got our ALC Recruit Lead stage showing up in first position. If for any reason in the future you decide, oh, you know what, maybe I didn't want that stage, or I want to change the name of that stage, I can come back to Edit Stages. I can click on the pencil, and I can choose to change the stage name, or I can click on the trash can to remove the stage name. Now, Marty, there's two other stages in here and they don't have the trash can. What's that all about? Well, these are hard-coded stages that Katy has built out for our use. They're best practices, and oftentimes they can't be deleted because they trigger something else somewhere else inside of CommandMC, Associates tab, Winmore, as that still stays around for a few more months, right? Different things like that. So if it is a hard-coded stage, the only thing that you would be able to change would be the checklist. So let's dive into the actual checklist. So we're going to go back into our ALC Recruit Lead stage, and we can see that there are checklist items available inside of this stage to be created. So maybe the first one is just simply call recruit, log activity, add attachments, notes. All right, that's pretty simple. That's the first thing we want to do. Maybe the second one is send thank you note to ALC member. All right, maybe this next one is create a social post on MC Facebook group thanking ALC member. All right, want to get more referrals from your ALCs? Give them FOMO. All right, so here's just an example of a checklist, and I'm sure there's plenty of more items that we could add should we need to for a recruit that's inside that particular stage. If for any reason you want to reorder the checklist, same rules apply. We've got the 6 dots over here. We can just click and drag. So I'm holding down my mouse and dragging that upwards. If I want a stage to go away, I could always click on the minus sign and that would remove the stage. So let's say I had a 4th stage and then I said, oh, that's probably enough. I'm going to click that minus sign. That would remove that checklist item. I can now click on Save. And we now have those 3 items connected inside of our ALC Recruit stage. That checklist will show up when we start adding recruits to the stages. And tomorrow, that's exactly what we are going to walk through. So come back then. We'll learn how to add recruits to specific stages in a couple of different ways. And then we'll also take a look at the checklist that we've created, where you can find that in the recruit card as well. That's it for today, guys. Hope you're having a fantastic day. And as always, I look forward to speaking with you again real soon.